Welcome everyone. Hopefully you had a great weekend and enjoyed your weekend, relaxed, and had a great week with all the stuff that's happening around the world and around the market. Let's start with we'll start with the crypto side this time, then we'll move to the rest. For the crypto side, I'm watching these two for continuation of an up move retest of this area. Most likely hit to the highs around here, but nothing is confirmed yet. I'm waiting for a break of structure on lower time frames that would indicate that this move have started. I've been shortening from last week, Thursday, Friday. I've been shortening these moves on lower time frames. Even today I took a short on this wave. Just small moves for the weekend, but for overall perspective, I'm looking towards this area, unless there's a specific area I'm watching, and most of the guys inside the group that know the way I trade would wait for a break and retest a specific area or specific structure. Then I would confirm that this move is over. Then we're looking for these sides to be taken out. For the time being, that's basically what I'm looking for. ETH, same thing. I'm looking towards grab of liquidity around these sides, around here, the sell side, and I think I labeled these upside down. Anyways, I will fix them. Looking for this, but I'm waiting for a structure to break, which should happen between Monday or Tuesday, and we'll confirm that. But for the time being, I'm neutral concerning ETH. This can pump all the way up here towards these areas, but I'm not seeing that sign for the time being, especially on all as overall markets structure. So I'm looking towards these ends too to be taken out. Dot the same thing to reach these areas for a retest and maybe lower. These are equivalent to each other, so I'm looking for something like this. There's a way to confirm these. More than happy to join our Discord and we'll explain it over there. For the DXY, I'm looking for this move to the upside. After these manipulations that happen and liquidity grabs, that was pretty much beautiful to watch. And if you don't know, have or had the experience, that's something that happens most of the time. So it's good to watch these, learn from them. If you did not trade them, learn from them, monitor them, how they move. It's basically the same concept. I can show you this one, GU watching this down move, and Euro USD watching this down move. I was watching this down move, watching this area for any reaction. If we have any reaction, we might have a retest of this area. before any continuation of the down move, if that's what indicates it. USD for this move that happened here, as I was saying earlier, that these stuff happen all over. It's something for you to watch. It's constantly, it repeats in the market. So this, they come down, go back up, then they come back down. So they just did it today on BTC lower time frame, which was around here. They went up, grabbed liquidity, came back down, knocked everyone out, and came down. So it happens all over the market, guys. It's nothing new. You just need to learn it, see the behavior of it, and try to implement it by experience, by time, by monitoring how it moves, why it is doing that, why it went up and why it went down and why it went back up. The market does not move just randomly. There's reasons for this stuff. Either you can go deep inside and try to understand what's the reason and what's behind it, or you can just monitor the fractal and trade it based on history. Like these two charts I can show you here too, the same thing that happened. I can show you on USD CAD, same thing that happened. On higher time frame though, you can see it clearer. And you just need to be there, monitor it, practice it, and try to make money out of it, because at the end of the road you're here to make money. Aussie, higher time frame, looking for this move. We were looking for the up move on most of the USD pairs. Weak USD, then a reversal, and that's what we had. Looking for more continuation, at least a retest of these lows like the rest. Gold and silver, I was not looking for this kind of move. I was looking for a respect, which we had. It came down, broke the low, and that bump. You can't get the market all the time. As long as you have stop loss, you accept the risk, and you have a sound risk management, you're good to go. What's next for gold? If we're staying above this candle right here, I would be looking for a retest, continuation higher, continuation higher to the higher. Silver, same thing, same concept. I won't mind if it comes down here. If it comes down here, we'll be looking for this buy. Oil, there's nothing that I need to explain. Anyone that's been in the market knows that's a strong bull run. Do not look for your short. Try to go with it. Okay, especially with oil. Looking towards 121 around these areas. If you are invested in oil, yeah, you're good to go. Indices, continuation of the down move. Continuation of the down move. We've got retest of this area, continuation of down. Invalidity is above this candle. Invalidity above the candle. If price goes back above this candle, we're continuing this move, which I doubt it will, but it's good to have validity and validity for setup. Same thing for S&P 500. with just retesting this one. I would expect a retest of this area and continuation of that move. NAS, same thing. Actually, NAS was more clearer than the S&P and the US 30. Looking for more down to come. How far? I don't know. Looking for more. I'll be looking for my cells. So pull back towards these areas, pull back towards this area, or maybe the weekly closed exactly around these areas. Depends on the setup that you trade, you're familiar with. We'll be looking for sell setup basically. And that will be it for this week. You're more than welcome to join our Discord or our membership and enjoy what you're doing, and happy hunting.